Hello, children. Good evening to all. How are you doing, children? Hope you are doing well. Children, please keep in the view of corona pandemic rapidly spreading. Please stay home, stay safe. Children, please watch online classes on Doordarshan TSAT channel. Children, I am Gazula Balakrishna once again in front of you with new topic. Children, let me going to explain you the about the 5th class worksheet 15, the English subject, with regard to let's be friends. Okay, children, now let us see the picture. So children, in this picture we can see the few children in this picture. So here the one boy Hari pinched to Raghu, and another children are watching behind them. So here are some titles here. So this boy Raghu, help, help, he asking help, help, because the Hari is pinching. The Hari is pinching Raghu. The is a naughty boy. Don't go near him. Okay, children. So, based on the picture, here are some questions asked. So, children, let us see the first task. Look at the picture and answer the following question. By the way, the first question is, why do you think Hari is pinching Raghu? Because Hari is a naughty boy. He always do naughty things. See the second one. What is Raghu holding in his hand? The Raghu is holding a pin. And see the third one. When do you cry for help? So usually when someone hurt and someone do naughty things, we cry for help. Write your best friend name. My best friend name is Naveen. What hurts you the most? Usually when someone kidding or someone blaming, hurt, I hurt. So children, now let us see the second one. Observe the picture and write a possible conversation between boy and the girl. So, the girl, how are you doing, Vinay? The boy, I am doing well, and you? Girl, what happened to Raghu? Boy. Harry has pinched him. Girl. Harry is a bad boy. He always do like this. Boy. Harry pinched me too. Girl. Hereafter, we don't make friendship him. Okay. Okay, now let us see the third task. In the third task, here asked to write the opposite word for the given words. So opposite means it's a contrast. In, out, few, lot, come, go, exit, enter, good, bad, back, front, love, hate, small, big. So children, anyway, hope you understand, and I suggest you please see couple of times. Okay children, I am looking forward to the next meet.